Introducing FRESHNOX, the world's first intelligent storage containers, built for smarter kitchens and stress-free pantry management. Your home is smart, but your pantry? Still running on guesswork. An empty jar when you need it most? Groceries that expire before you notice. Shelves cluttered with what you already had. Overbought and expired groceries don't just clutter your pantry, they empty your wallet by nearly $2,000 a year. Meet FRESHNOX, the airtight smart container that thinks, tracks, and knows when you're running low, so you never run out or waste. Simply scan the barcode, fill your container, and forget it. It alerts you when supplies dwindle, automatically adds the item to your preferred retailer's cart, and warns you before they expire. All while keeping them fresher, longer, crafted from food-grade plastic, and engineered to last over a year on a single charge. With FRESHNOX, your kitchen finally works. Less waste, less stress, more convenience. Back FRESHNOX today. Transform your pantry for good.